Sharp Designs. Hi, how are you? So, hi guys. Today I want to talk about gold, US dollar, Japanese yen, and before the US data maybe, and very important before Jerome Powell's speech and remarks at the Jackson Hole Symposium, because this is seen as a high impact Arif. Hi, how are you? Because this is seen as a high impact event. So here is the disclaimer. Don't forget to read it before we'll start this live session. And please, guys, yeah, if you have questions, I'm waiting for messages in that YouTube chat, okay? And I'll try to answer to your questions. And if you are a VIP member, personally, I'm still holding my Canadian dollar, Japanese yen long, and my New Zealand dollar, US dollar short. Yeah, and also, yeah, actually, all our VIP trades right now. I will close this window and let's take a look. So in less than 3 minutes, we have core price index, which is expected to register a 0.2% growth. Good trade balance, personal income, personal spendings, prelim, wholesale inventories, and later, guys. Jerome Powell's speech and revised consumer sentiment. So high impact events, and let's take a look also on our real account. First of all, I will start with the Japanese yen basket, because if you are a VIP member, maybe you are interested in that trade, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. So you said US data dump. Is data pool for USD? I don't know, it remains to see. We'll have to wait for the data to be released. So let's take a look. So all our trades right now are in profit. So Bitcoin short, New Zealand dollar, US dollar short, S&P US 500 short, and Canadian dollar, Japanese yen long right now. Yeah, so as I've said, I'm good, man. I follow you live news. Arif, yeah. Also, don't forget, guys, to like this video. This will be helpful for me to the YouTube algorithm, and also it will be highly appreciated. I will try to answer to your questions. Ali, hi. Buy gold or sell? I don't know. I will take a look on that market. Right now, the price of gold dropped. Gold plunged. Today, I'm looking for gold trading. Give some idea about gold, please. No, I will not give you ideas. When I'll have Arif, are you a VIP member? Because if you are a VIP member, you will get all my trades, Orlando's trades. So I don't know, you don't need ideas. When we'll send yeah, right now it really is because I believe that the US released actually the US one moment, because I will send whoa. So advanced good trade balance, better than expected, personal income worse than expected. Okay, so one moment, because I will have to refresh also the economic calendar here, but I will send also so consumer spending worse than expected. I will share the data into the VIP group. So consumer spending worse than expected. Actually, let's take a look also here. So core price index worse than expected, goods trade balance better than expected, personal income worse than expected, personal spending worse than expected, prelim wholesale inventories better than expected. So mixed data, and right now the dollar index crashed drop it right after the US data dump. But don't forget that maybe we'll have only a temporary reaction right now after these economic data, and as I've said, later at 3 p.m. UK time, the Jerome Powell will deliver a speech maybe at about the economic outlook at the Jackson Hole symposium. Also, don't forget about the revised consumer sentiment, right? And so let's take a look. So sell off right now, but we have 108.07 as support here. Let's see how it will react here around this key level. And okay, so yeah, Orlando's position in US 500 closed at break even. Personally, I'm still holding my Canadian dollar Japanese yen if you are interested, if you are a VIP member. And also I'm still holding my position in actually my remaining 17% in New Zealand dollar US dollar. Okay, so I will try to answer to your questions as well. So gold, let's take a look on gold. Gold rallied as a first reaction right now, but I don't know, it seems that please take a look here. Downside movement, rebound, downside movement, rebound, downside movement. Maybe it was only a temporary rebound, okay? Here in gold, it has found resistance here at the weekly pivot point, and personally maybe I'll keep an eye on 1742. And in my opinion, if the dollar index will jump higher after Powell's speech and remarks, then I don't know, maybe the price of gold could drop. But personally, I don't have a setup right now. I don't have a setup, and if I don't have a setup, a high probability setup to trade, no, I don't want to place an order here. I don't want to buy it. I don't want to sell it right now. Okay, I don't have yeah, it has escaped from this pattern, maybe something like a pattern, I don't know, a channel or a rising wedge, something like this. But maybe we had an opportunity only here, okay? After making a new lower low, right now anything could happen around these high impact events. So that's why personally I don't want to go long or short on this market right now. I'll wait for the markets maybe to calm down, to cool down also after Powell's speech later, okay? Because the Jackson Hole symposium is seen as a high impact event, and I don't know, it remains to see if Powell's speech will be a hawkish one or a dovish one, a neutral one. But most likely Powell's speech will bring high volatility and sharp movements into the market. So that's why if you are not an experienced trader, yeah, you could stay away. Yeah, and maybe you can try to catch something later, because we could have maybe actually the price of gold could register sharp movements in both directions in the short term. Oil long should be pretty safe. Let's take a look. Yeah, I've talked about oil in my previous analysis. Unfortunately, it has failed to stabilize above 95.0404. Right now it retest 92.92. Here the R1, yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe we'll have something here. And yeah, personally I'm looking for potential longs in US oil after jumping above this resistance zone, after escaping from this pattern. But I would really like to see here false breakdowns with great separation. And if I will decide to go long on this market, maybe I will I don't know, I would like a new higher high, a valid breakout, a new higher high. Maybe I will hide my stop loss here, and I don't know, I will place my take profit higher. But right now I'll wait for the price of US oil, crude oil, to end this this correction retreat, because I don't know, maybe it could come back towards 90.54 before developing a leg higher. Okay, and that's why maybe I'll wait for the price of US oil to end its retreat, its drop here, maybe around these levels. But to stabilize here, and the potential new higher high could signal that this retreat ended, and then I will look for potential longs. Okay, for potential longs. And I don't know, in the short term, dropping closing here below these levels could signal a potential deeper drop. Okay, so this is my opinion about crude oil. Yeah, crude oil. So my position in Canadian dollar Japanese yen is good, is still good, even if the price dropped a little. Yeah, it's still good. Yeah, yen basket. Let's take a look on yen basket. Yeah, this temporary rebound forced the Japanese yen to increase a little, to appreciate, but the pressure is still high as long as it stays below this downtrend line. Please take a look also here. Its failure to stay above 8,022, test retests, a breakdown here, rebound, and maybe a new breakdown here, dropping, closing, and stabilizing below 7,744 could open the door for a deeper drop. And this scenario, downside continuation here, because I've talked about this downside continuation also when the price, when the yen basket was here. Yeah, after this sharp movement, after moving sideways here, after I don't know, failing to make a new higher high. I've talked about this scenario in the previous days, and the breakdown, something like an, I don't know, distribution, sideways movement, a breakdown, new lower low. So the pressure is high, and that's why personally I'm still holding my trade in Canadian dollar Japanese yen. And as you already know, personally I've decided today to manage my position, to cut the risk. So my risk is, I don't know, 0.48, below half. Yeah, from the initial risk. So that's why I'm still holding my trade. Okay, because my trade is still good, is still valid. That setup is still good, is still valid. And silver future buy or sell? No. Kasha, no, I will not tell you what to do. When I'll have a setup to trade, when I'll open a trade here for Learn to Trade in our in Learn to Trade a real account, I will share the trade into the VIP group. So I will not tell you what to do. I will not because this is not how it works, guys. I will not tell you that silver is a buy or a sell, because it depends. Maybe it could be a buy on I don't know, on 15 minutes. Okay, in the short term, and it could be, let's take a look on daily, it could be a sell on daily. Okay, it depends. So that's why please tell me what you are looking at. Please tell me please tell me your time frame, and we can have a conversation here. Yeah, I want this webinar to be an interactive webinar, live webinar, and that's why personally I'm waiting for messages. But please tell me what you are looking at. I will not tell you that it's long or it's a buy or a sell, as long as I'm not sending a trade, as long as I'm not placing a trade. No, maybe I will sell. Yeah, I will say, or actually silver. Yeah, maybe it's bearish. Okay, and maybe you will sell it, but in the short term it could come back higher to retest the immediate resistance levels, and you will lose money. So no, when I'll have a trade, I will share my trade into the VIP group and my trade management. Okay, the Australian dollar is looking very, very strong since 2 days. Australian dollar against the US dollar. Yeah, today I was looking for potential longs here, okay, because but personally I'm already, yeah, or actually I'm still holding my remaining New Zealand dollar US dollar, okay, and only because the economic data today and Powell's speech could bring high volatility. Maybe I don't want to go long here. Technically, yeah, technically, guys, technically this it was a potential continuation pattern, okay, a potential continuation pattern. Sideways movement, a triangle, breakout, retest, but right now please take a look here, okay, 0.6991, only false breakout for now. So I didn't want it to place a trade and to front run to place a trade before the US data dump, okay, because right now we have only a false breakout above that former high, and yeah, it's risky to trade during these gold is going crazy. Yeah, Australian dollar could potentially drop low after Powell's speech. Kenneth, Astan, Powell's speech will likely be dovish, so USD can only drop. Points are priced in already. Yeah, it remains to see, and in my opinion, we'll have a strong reaction, Astan, around Powell's speech, in my opinion, and that's why it's risky. Technically, guys, Australian dollar, US dollar was good maybe for a potential long, but right now it has registered only a false breakout here above 0.6991. Anything could happen. That's why I don't want to place a buy stop here right now, because it could register sharp movements in both directions in the short term. Maybe it's better for today to stay away, to stick with the current trades, and I don't know, maybe I will try to take some profits maybe on the current trades, okay, because my Canadian dollar Japanese yen is in profit, yeah, and Bitcoin is in profit, Orlando trade is in profit, New Zealand dollar, US dollar is in profit. So I don't want to lose money on sharp movements on both directions in the short term. In probability, I think gold will be buy. If the US dollar will depreciate, yeah, probably a US dollar will try to jump higher, okay, but let's wait. Anything could happen. Yeah, anything could happen. Silver is still here below 19.403 resistance. And as you already know, this flag, this up channel could represent a bearish pattern, okay? And I've said yesterday that here, test retest or something, test retest false breakouts. Also 19.551 represents an upside obstacle. So test retest false breakouts could signal a new sell-off or something. So only value breakout could signal a larger growth, but right now it's risky to we don't have actually clear direction in the short term. Actually, yeah, we have this rebound, but technically this rebound could present a bearish pattern, okay. Okay, let's invite more members. So about because please take a look here. If it makes only false breakouts and the new lower low, boom, sell off. Yeah. Also gold. Yeah, I don't know if gold will be a buy. Yeah, as I've said, maybe this was only a temporary rebound, and right now maybe we'll have a new sell-off. Okay, but as long as I don't have a high probability trade, so here 108.07 as support. Yeah, and I don't know, in the short term, let's delete these lines. So as long as it stays here above 108.07, above the medium line, this could still be only a temporary drop in here on the dollar index, and maybe this will be a triangle pattern, and this pattern could bring us an upside continuation, and an upside continuation could signal that the US dollar could appreciate. But as I've said, technically the dollar index is still bullish, is still good. Okay, we can look maybe for potential US dollar longs, but I've told you personally, maybe I don't want to place a trade before Powell's speech, because anything could happen. Anything could happen, guys. It could crash, it could jump higher. It's very, very important to understand these things, yeah, and to stay away. Yeah, and there are a lot of opportunities in the markets. You will catch something really great later, and maybe personally also will place a trade. I will share a potential trade in the VIP group later. So do you know when Powell will give his speech? Yeah, I've said that at 3 p.m. UK time. Sharp Designs. Yeah, and let's take a look. So technically this could represent, but only technically this maybe represents an upside continuation pattern, but it remains to see what will really happen. Yen basket again. Yeah, yen basket again, and let's take a look on Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Even if this is a VIP trade, okay, only, but I will talk about this market for the VIP members here. So 105.78 as resistance, only false breakouts. And today the price has managed to make a new higher high here. It has climbed as much as 105.94 right now. Yeah, it tries to retest the broken resistance, the upside obstacle. How can we listen to his speech? I believe that you can find his speech on the internet, also on Forex Factory, on Financial Juice, or on other news platforms. Yeah, Arslan, you don't need to listen to it, just check news and economic calendar. No, it's important to listen to his speech, because I believe maybe I don't know, maybe you have open trades, and I don't know if his speech is, I know, more hawkish than expected. Maybe you want to manage your position. Maybe if his speech is dovish, because if you'll only read, I don't know, yeah, if you have a news terminal to get real-time news, breaking news, yeah, you can only keep an eye on your news terminal, but I don't know, you don't want to read about Powell's speech later, after 1 hour or something, because it could be too late if you want to place a trade, or if you want to manage a trade. Yeah, so yeah, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. So this is my opinion here. I'm still keeping my position for the VIP, my VIP position, sorry. And if it stabilizes here above 105.78, a new higher high, could signal an upside continuation, and that's why personally I'm holding this trade, this position, and pending order this position for several days right now, and I'm still holding my position because I've managed it earlier today. Yeah, currently I'm in an open trade on gold, so I would like to listen live. Yeah, okay, you can I believe that you can also find his speech on YouTube maybe. Yeah, okay, so still bullish. Let's take a look. Australian dollar, Japanese yen, because I've talked about, yeah, maybe we had an opportunity also here to go long, but Australian dollar, Japanese yen is located right below these former highs, but here in the short term, after jumping, closing, and stabilizing above the R1, test retest, boom. Okay, but personally I'm already short on the Japanese yen. Okay, yeah, okay, so maybe we had an opportunity also here, but personally I'm already short on the Japanese yen. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, Vernon, but are you long or short on gold? Yeah, so New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, sideways movement. Yeah, no, I don't like the price action. Euro, Japanese yen, strong rally here in the short term after failing to make a new lower low, and right now it has jumped close above the pivot point. I don't know, staying above this level could signal potential growth. Okay, so British pound, Japanese yen, sorry, me too. Open trade on gold, TP 1751 stop loss, daily effects, buy. Okay, yeah, it's your call, it's your trading account, your trade. So British pound, Japanese yen, also just turn it to the upside. Yeah, after retesting this uptrend line. Gold again, long on gold, currently negative position. Yeah, guys, so 1752, so TP, yeah, Mohammed, I'm your VIP member. You guys signal are excellent. Please tell me how can I reach you guys. Now, unfortunately, if you want to contact Learn to Trade, you can send an email to support. Yeah, this is the only way you can communicate with Learn to Trade. You cannot contact us directly because unfortunately there are a lot of scamming groups, scams over the internet or on Telegram or I don't know. So this is the only way you can communicate with Learn to Trade. You can contact our support, and if you have questions, and and if you have questions here, Mohammed, yeah, I'm waiting for your questions or for your messages. I will try to answer to your questions, but you cannot reach. You cannot contact me directly on email or on Telegram or on WhatsApp or on my phone or something. No, you cannot. Okay. Please, guys, I'm waiting for questions, for messages. Yeah. I will keep an eye on US oil, guys. Yeah. That's why I've said earlier that I really want to see, or actually I'll wait for the price of US oil to end its drop, its retreat, and I said that maybe we'll have a deeper drop in the short term. Let's take a look US dollar, Canadian dollar, because we have a correlation right now. Sell off. Sell-off. USD, Swiss franc. Also here, maybe I would have placed a trade on the Australian dollar, US dollar, and also here, but as I've said, anything could happen later, and I don't want to keep a full risk trade during Powell's speech, maybe. Yeah, so our current trades are maybe are safe right now. Personally, I've managed my Canadian dollar, Japanese yen by cutting the risk. Bitcoin. Position. Bitcoin, yeah, it's stop loss is at break even. New Zealand dollar, US dollar, stop loss at break even. So yeah, so here US dollar, Swiss franc, guys. US dollar, Swiss franc. Vincent, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, opinion. Please tell me what your time frame, at least your time frame. Please, guys, why do you want me to beg you to tell me what you are looking at and to tell me your time frame? Yeah, because the analysis and I don't know, my opinion will be different from 1 hour to daily to weekly to 5 minutes to 15 minutes. Stefan, how is your win ratio? I believe that we are, let's take a look. I believe that we are up 6.44 this month. Yeah. And overall, I don't know, 10 or something like this. Antonio, hello, hi, how are you guys? So here US dollar, Swiss franc, something like a triangle, but I really want to see a valid breakout, and only, in my opinion, only a new lower low or a new higher high could signal an upside continuation or a downside movement, in my opinion. That's why I'll wait. So only a breakdown here and test retest here could signal a potential upside movement, because we also have a range movement, sideways movement in the short term. I use 15 minutes time frame and 30 minutes chart. But please tell me, Vincent, please tell me what you are looking at. You want to go long, you want to go short? Because yeah, it's important for me trying to understand what you are looking at, what's your opinion, and then I will share my opinion. Okay, because I understand, because when you ask only Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, you want me to take a look and to send a setup or personally I'm not trading on that market. Okay, you want to have a setup or a signal or something on that market. But please tell me what you are looking at. Gold. It is worth to invest in stock market or investing in yourself to trade the market. It's up to you. So let's take a look. So 10.19, something like this. And with the current trades, we are up 11.57. And in this month, we are up 6.44%. Yeah, last month was really bad for us, but it's fine. We will recover that loss, and everything will be fine. June, May, 8.52, June 4.21, and yeah, we'll continue to grow this real account here for Learn to Trade. Gold. Sorry. So yeah, right now the price of gold tries to come back higher. You are long on gold versus the Australian dollar, or what? Yeah, okay. So, bro, yeah, have a look. I'm thinking about going short. Antonio, I'm a VIP member. Yeah. So, okay, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. So let's take a look. So you want to go short. Vincent. And time frame 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So you want to go short. Yeah. Good for you. I will not tell you what to do, Vincent, as you already know. Personally, I'm only sharing my analysis, my trades, my management, because I'm not a financial advisor, and I will not tell you what to do. So you want to go short, and why? Why do you want to go short? Because it has reached the resistance here, 0.7457. Yeah. So it's your call. It's up to you. And let's take a look. Personally, I'm not trading on this market, so yeah, we have former highs as resistance levels, resistance zone. It depends. It depends. You want to go short right below these levels. So that's why, please guys, tell me what you are looking at. Because I really want to have a conversation here. R1 as support, uptrend line as support. Yeah. Yeah, maybe in the short term, technically after reaching this this level 0.7557, test, retest, and false breakouts. I don't know, maybe it could be attracted by this confluence area. Okay, but here you have to be careful around this confluence area, the medium line, uptrend line, because testing, retesting these support levels and false breakdowns could signal a new bullish momentum or something, right? And right now we have support here 0.7440. Okay, it's up to you, it's your call. Personally, I'm not trading on this market. Okay, the oil is pulling back. US oil. US oil 91. Yeah, but as I've said, I really want this retreat, drop, and sell off to be over before I will go long or short, or before I will do something. Okay, I don't know, maybe we can have something like a pattern here, but if it stays below 92.92, it could only test, retest 92.92, 93.51 before extending its sell-off or something. So that's why I said that, yeah, I will look for potential longs, maybe only for longs, for buying opportunities. And I said that I'll wait for the price to end its downside movement. Okay, downside movement, because I really want to hide my stop loss below a new lower low. And I don't know if I'll place my stop loss here, and if I'll place a buy stop here, and if the price drops, I will have to delete my pending order. Okay, so that's why I'll wait. I'm holding long Euro USD from 0.9915, hope for 1.04. What do you think? Should I leave it? It's up to you, it's your call. No, please guys, I will not tell you what to do. As long as I don't have a trade on Euro USD, no, I will not tell you what to do, okay? Because this is wrong. No, if I would have a trade here, yeah, I would have updated. And right now, yeah, it's bullish. It's bullish. It's bullish only because the dollar index crashed, dropped in the short term. Please take a look. Yeah, it has escaped from this triangle. So in the short term, yeah, it seems that the US dollar is strongly bearish. It has ignored the parity, also 1.0018, and I don't know, maybe it could extend its growth, but don't forget about so 1.04. Don't forget about these levels here. Okay, as former lows, as resistance levels. And also, personally, I have the medium line as resistance. Yeah. Just a question: is Vantage Markets trusted? If someone sends me referral link to join, I don't know. No, I will not tell you what brokerage company to use, because I'm not selling brokerage companies, or yeah. So here at Learn to Trade, we are using 8cap, eToro, yeah. Aston Euro is fundamentally weak because of the crisis. I would not go long. No, here the euro versus the US dollar pair rallies right now only because we have weak US dollar. Okay, the dollar index drops, which makes the US dollar weak, okay, in the short term. So that's why, only because the dollar index drops on this market really, is not because the euro is I don't know, strongly bullish or something. Okay, yeah. Yeah, long term, yeah. Antonio, what do you think about, why do you want to trade, I don't know, gold versus the Australian dollar? Why do you want to trade gold versus the Australian dollar? Why do you want to trade gold versus the Australian dollar? Why? And also, please tell me what you are looking at. Even if you are a VIP member, please tell me what you are looking at here. So, gold versus the Australian dollar for Antonio, but please tell me what you are looking at here for our chart. For our chart, breakdown, retest, and in my opinion here in the short term, maybe the bias is bearish. Also after dropping below 25.21.3039, and as long as it stays here below this downtrend line, below 2508.15, in my opinion is bearish. What? Because I did make I trade, okay, long for pulling back. Okay, MTB Sparta, yes, around 1.01 will probably sell some of I know you don't have a trade here, but asking what would you do if you have this long open? Yeah, on Euro USD. Euro USD. So I don't have a trade here because personally I want to catch a potential short opportunity. Okay, so I've said guys that because maybe this could be only a temporary rebound, and maybe I will look for sorry guys, I will look for potential shorts. Okay, so as long as I don't have a trade, as long as I don't have a trade, so as I've said, I don't want to trade this market right now. Okay, it's bullish. It has jumped above these former highs, but as I've said, I don't want to trade here, only because I don't know. Maybe this will be only a false breakdown here. The price could still invalidate this breakdown here on the dollar index, and then it could jump higher. But yeah, maybe in the short term and after its strong rally here on the dollar index, maybe we'll have a larger retreat. Okay, so also here we cannot exclude a rebound, a larger rebound, a broader rebound here on this market. And right now in the short term, yeah, it's bullish. Also after jumping and closing above the 23.6, but I don't know, maybe I would like to see here sideways movement, test, retest before extending its growth, because I don't believe that it will continue to grow like this, okay, without a retest or without a temporary retreat or something. So yeah, but right now, yeah, it's bullish. Sell off, retest, test, retest here, breakout. Right now, yeah, it's bullish, and it could maybe approach and reach here the medium line, the 38.2, 1.1 or something. Australian dollar, Swiss franc, and potentially breaking towards the upside would be nice to know if you feel the same. Why do we want to trade these markets? Are you trading the Australian dollar because it's strongly bullish? Are you trading the Swiss franc because it's bearish? Why? So yeah, it has escaped from this range. And right now it challenges 0.6725. Personally, I'm not trading on these markets. That's why I have to build something here, like an analysis. After its failure to take out this support, okay, to make a new lower low or something, because of the setup which look promising. Okay. I'm just asking. Key level. So technically guys, nope. Technically, after this massive drop, rebound, and here strong consolidation accumulation, and right now it has retested this former high 0.6709, and also the 38.2, and closing staying and stabilizing above 0.6725 could, yeah, maybe could signal potential further growth, but you have to be careful. You know, is your stop loss here below this immediate low? Because if the price I don't know, prints a major bearish pattern to invalidate its breakout, then it could come back down or something, or a false breakout with great separation, or yeah. Then I'll leave it open until you have short for at least 3 hours. Yeah, it's up to you. It's your call. It's your trading account, your trade. Yeah, technically, as I've said, in the short term, Vincent, yeah, it looks it seems that the upside pressure is high, but personally, no, I will not trade this market. Yeah, because I don't know. Yeah, in the short term, Australian dollar is bullish, is strongly bullish, because I've said I've talked about this market, Australian dollar, US dollar, breakout and upside continuation. Yeah, maybe it was a mistake not to place a trade here, but waiting for retracement to enter long. Okay, maybe Vincent, this it was better than your setup on that market, Australian dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, if you wanted to go long on the Australian dollar, because I don't know, you think that the Australian dollar is strongly bullish and it will appreciate versus all its rivals. So Australian dollar, US dollar, it was better. Yeah, we had a better setup. Okay, guys. No, I will not buy Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, because I've told you guys that I'm not trading on those markets now. Vincent, true. Yeah. Yeah, the Australian dollar, US dollar was a better, we had a better setup on that market. Okay, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. I've told you that I'm not trading, and why do you want to go long here on? So someone wanted to go short here, and right now someone wants to go long. No, I don't want to trade here. Maybe I told you a new lower low could signal a potential downside movement. Gold again. Yeah, strongly bullish because the dollar index drops. The US dollar depreciates versus its rivals. Yeah. And about the trend, 15 minutes. on 15 minutes. We have something like a resistance zone area here, maybe. We have resistance here at 1752. It remains to see if it takes out the resistance levels and if it makes a valid breakout above this downtrend line, because this could be a flag. Okay, this could be a flag, this could be a down channel, and yeah, if it takes out the resistance levels, then boom. Okay, but only if the dollar index will register a sharp movement in the short term. And yeah, because here test, retest, false breakouts with great separation could announce a new sell-off. Okay, thank you guys. I was live for more than 1 hour, so for something like around 1 hour. Later in 33 minutes, Jerome Powell speech. You have to be careful, anything could happen. Powell's speech could bring high volatility on all markets. As I've said, anything could happen, guys. Whoa, Bitcoin. Yeah, we have here an uptrend, the line, another false breakdown, and right now bullish engulfing or something. Also here on Ethereum, something like I don't know, channel or a rising wedge sell-off. Right now it has Ethereum came back to test retest maybe the broken level, as long as it stays below the pivot point, and if it stays below, I hope all will explode. Staying below these levels could signal potential sell-off. And also here on Ethereum we have this downtrend line as resistance, the pivot point. So US oil, let's take a look. So after the speech, in which direction? It could explode, it could crash, it could but I believe that when you say that it will explode, you think that the price of US oil will jump higher. I don't know, maybe I will send the trade also here on US oil. Pending order, but this could be a something like a swing trade. Okay, but I don't know, maybe, as I've said, upwards. Yeah, maybe I want to be a buyer only from above these levels. Yeah, and not from below 92.92, 93.51. And people are afraid to go short. I feel so. Euro just exploded. Yeah. Nice for you. DXY. Yeah, the dollar index crashed. Shit. But no, I'm not disappointed about this this setup. Yeah, maybe we had something here, as I've said. In a normal day, maybe I would have placed a long position here on Australian dollar, US dollar, but right now I don't want to to be long or short during Powell's speech. Okay, thank you guys. Maybe I'll send something later after the speech. Personally, I'm still holding Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, so that's why I don't want to do anything right now, because we are in profit on our current trades. So here on 1 hour, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen only falls breakdown here. Maybe it has tried to retest these former highs. And as I said, as long as it stays here above 105.78, I don't know, it could resume its growth. Yeah. Yen basket, and then I will close this this session. Okay, please take a look here. Also, Japanese yen basket crashes right now, and the valid breakdown below, or confirming its breakdown below 77.44 could force Canadian dollar, Japanese yen to explode as well. Okay, so if you're a VIP member, I will come back with my trade management. Right now my position is in profit. Yeah, is in profit, guys. If you still have questions, please, guys. US 100. Nah, no. It is really it because the dollar index crashed. US 30, but I don't want to trade, to place a trade on US equities right now. Orlando is the specialist here on US equities around the open. Yeah. Yeah. And that's why, yeah, guys, that's why we have sharp movements, because the casino opened. Yeah. US 500. US 100. US 500, sorry. Okay, guys. Yeah, so I really want to see confirmation here, valid breakdown, and then I don't know, maybe I will look for new Japanese yen shorts. Which broker are you using to trade? So I'm using 8 cap here for learn to trade. Okay, but you can join 8 cap. You can open a trading account using our affiliate link or something. You can find the link in the free group, in the VIP group. Also, if you're interested in copy trading, only with a 8 cap trading account. Yeah. Okay, thank you, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.